Welcome to our podcast. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss: the financial fragility of elite athletes and how injuries can reshape their career trajectories. Joining us is Solomon Von Herclestein, a financial markets analyst and founder of the Cardinal Project.
Thanks for having me. It's great to be here to discuss such an important issue.
Let's dive in. In your analysis, you mentioned that the economic value of a top-tier football career can reach up to $1 billion. How does injury impact this figure?
Exactly. A single structural injury can drastically alter an athlete's earning potential. For instance, under a recurring injury cycle, an athlete might lose over $797 million in career value compared to being structurally maintained.
That's staggering. So, it sounds like athlete management should focus not just on performance, but on body preservation as well.
Absolutely. The body is the underlying asset in sports. By investing in proper recovery and maintenance, clubs could significantly enhance not just the athlete's career, but also their financial returns.
Incredible insights, Solomon. It's a real eye-opener to see how financial models in sports need to adapt to the reality of physical dynamics.
Thanks. It's essential that both teams and athletes recognize the importance of medical investments to safeguard their futures.
Thanks for joining us today. This conversation highlights the interconnectedness of health, performance, and economics in sports.
Thank you again for having me.
On the show.